Hello, do you want to delete your WhatsApp account? Here is a straightforward video tutorial on how to do that. You launch the WhatsApp app on your device, then you navigate to the Settings tab at the bottom right corner of the screen and you tap on it. In the Settings menu, tap on Account option. Within the account settings, you locate and tap on the Delete My Account option. WhatsApp will ask you to enter your phone number associated with the account you want to delete. After entering your phone number, tap on Delete My Account button. WhatsApp may ask you to provide a reason for deleting your account. They would give a list on the reason you want to delete your account. So you choose a reason or you choose other. Once you selected your reason, tap on Delete My Account button again to confirm your deletion. So, your account has successfully been deleted from your device. Keep in mind that deleting your WhatsApp account will permanently erase your account's data, including your chat history, your contacts, and settings. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye for now.